Nick's had a passion for flight most of his life. His grandpa flew, and anyway, he was torn on which road he was going to go, and the passion for flight was the greatest one, and I think I'm so happy he chose that one because I felt it all along. This Blue Line Aviation, when he joined here, and he said he joined it because it just seemed so much more personal, and I'm seeing it today, and the knowledge, and when he would tell me how things are going and how he was progressing, I was just so impressed with the people that could help him progress so well and so thoroughly, and we felt very comfortable, as parents of a new pilot. And I would go, hey, I just did my first solo. I'm like, oh, thank God I didn't know. But then all of a sudden it's like, okay, this guy's in good hands, and this being here today gives me a good feel for that too. And we thank all his instructors and friends that support each other, and thanks for having us to celebrate this. Congratulations.
Absolutely.